Hey guys, welcome back to the garden. It's a mast year of blackberries, as you can see. I mean, I feel like the richest woman in the world. Would you have a look at this? We have these blackberries and they are a bit of work to have, but they are also very productive, and I think they are amazing berries, both for smoothies and jams and ice cream and all kinds of stuff. And we eat a lot every day, of course. So I take around every day or every second day and fill a bag or a couple with a kilo or more. And I think we have at least 7-8 kilos in the freezer by now, which is amazing for the winter. So many antioxidants in these beautiful berries, and the birds love them. I've seen mice eat them also, and flies. All kinds of beings are feeding on this, and the birds are nesting in between the stems. It's quite protected for them. And this year we have even more than we usually have. We have double, because if you've been following the channel for a while, you know that we have just acquired 7,208 square meters to be precise, and that is the new butterfly garden that is right outside where the camera is now pointing. And this used to be conventionally farmed and sprayed, of course, so I would never pick the blackberries on the other side of this row of blackberries, but now we have double up because the spraying has been pushed back, and now we can harvest all of this deliciousness. They are a little bit of a nuisance. As you can see, these shoots, they can reach 6 meters or more in like a season, which is quite powerful. And I have already gone around chopping back these so that I would have easier access to all the berries, but also because I don't want them to run 6 meters and make new plants like that. So I do that a couple of times in the season, and then in the winter we cut it back. Every 2 years we cut it back, so it's only like 1 meter wide and 1 meter tall. And we did this winter, and you can see even with that we have such abundance. Of course, it's because the season has been perfect for blackberries, and many other things also, but it's just to see that it's really a powerful, very productive plant to have in your garden if you find a way to manage it. I think it's also interesting, we have it, I have allowed, or I have surrendered to the fact that it's also living right here, and this has it's south facing, so the blackberries are maybe a couple of weeks earlier on this side, and now not so many, so we are starting with a little more shaded area and less light. They are now chef's kiss, amazing, but it's good to have them in different places. And also I'm including in the description below, I'm including a recipe for vegan ice cream with blackberries and plums. My God, guys, it was amazing. It was an experiment we did the other day, and we loved it. So yeah, maybe that could inspire you to experiment with whatever your garden is providing. So, short video, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.